Good morning, and thank you for joining me in this fun little practice this morning. Such a great way to start the day feeling refreshed and energized even before getting out of bed. So let's begin laying. We'll go ahead and reach overhead, grabbing opposite elbows. We'll take a nice side stretch here, reaching the elbows towards the left side. Feel free to sneak in a yawn. Get it out. It's almost inevitable for me to yawn in any sort of stretch. Back to center. We'll go ahead and draw the elbows towards the right. All right, back to center. Reach the hands towards the top of the mat for a nice full body stretch here. Exhale, bend the knees, feet meet the mat. We'll begin rocking the knees side to side. Take your time here. Hug knees to chest. Go ahead and draw the forehead towards the knees. Good squeeze. Release. Grab the outer edges of the feet, drawing the heels towards the hips. Rest here or take it deeper by taking your happy baby pose. Option to rock side to side. Hug knees to chest. Release the right leg. Go ahead and draw the left knee towards the right side, stacking the hips for a supine twist. Option to utilize pillows underneath the knees if this is a little too intense this morning. Go ahead and release. Opposite side. Again, option to use some pillows underneath the knees for a little added support. Back to center. Gently come to seated. Begin circulating the hips, working your way up the spine, maybe into the shoulders and the upper back. Maybe even begin to move with the breath here. Opposite direction, again connecting with the breath. Full inhales, full exhales. Come to center. Exhale, left hand meets the mat, right hand overhead. Inhale back to center. Exhale, right hand to the mat, left hand overhead. Inhale, sit tall. Let's take a gentle twist here. Exhale, right hand to the left knee, left hand to the back. Gaze over that left shoulder. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, left hand to the right knee. Go ahead and take your twist. Inhale, back to center. Let's begin rolling the head. Nice gentle movements here. Feel the clicks and ticks in the neck, maybe in the upper back, moving with the breath. Next exhale, begin walking the hands forward, stopping where you meet that stretch. Option here to rock side to side. Release. Hop out of bed, come to standing. I'm going to use this end table. We'll go ahead and place our hands on the bed and begin walking the feet out until they are directly underneath the hips. Option to bend the knees. Play around here, do whatever feels good. Release, come to standing. Grounding through the feet. Inhale, hands overhead, grabbing all that space. Exhale, hands down beside the hips. Inhale, hands reach tall. Exhale, hands to heart center. One more time. Inhale, reach tall here, grabbing all that space. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. Namaste.